Hello traders, welcome back. This is day 36 of my 1 minute binary option trading challenge. I started this challenge with $100. Now after 35 trading days, the account stands at $17,014. In this video, I'm going to take few trades all using my 1 minute trading strategies, and I'll teach you the exact strategies step by step so that you guys can apply the same while trading. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Right now I am analyzing Euro US dollar chart and I have a trading opportunity here. As you can see that the price is falling smoothly and it recently formed this resistance zone. So let's first draw the key level. I'm going to use it for a reversal trade. This resistance is a recently formed resistance level which can be used for a reversal trade. Price hit the resistance as you can see, and if the 1 minute candle closing, okay, price is very near, okay, we have a clear trading opportunity. The 1 minute candle closes and yes, that's a confirmation. I have placed the first trade of today's session in the downward direction. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So let's open the 1 minute chart. As I told you that this is a smooth falling market and price recently created this resistance zone and we can use it for a reversal trade. The strategy is simple. I wanted to use the reversal trading strategy in which we wait for the 1 minute candle to close. In this case, as you can see that price, this was the resistance, price goes up to retest the same zone. Price hit the resistance zone and the 1 minute candle closing is just near to this resistance, which means if there is no breakout, we can expect that price will start moving down because the overall trend is also downtrend. So in this case, when price approaches this resistance zone, it hit the resistance and the closing was just below the zone, which means we can expect a reversal if sellers give favors. Here, as soon as price hit the resistance, it goes down. Previous candle was bigger, so this was not the confirmation. Price retraces back again, but again gave strong fall. This strong candle break the recently rejected level. So this was the confirmation on 5-second chart, and that's why I place my trade as soon as I have this confirmation. On 1 minute chart, there was no breakout, so chances of a reversal were high because if there is no breakout, the price will reverse. To place a trade, I need confirmation, and that's why I use the 5-second chart to place the trade. This was selling confirmation that sellers are active and they are strong in this zone. So I placed the trade, and after that, the price fall and we booked profit. Let's find other trading opportunity, and I'm going to use the same trading strategy today. Not going to change it at all. We'll wait for the price to hit either a support zone or a resistance without a breakout, and if things are in our favor, I will instantly take a trade. So let's find other setup. This was the first trade of today's session. On Euro US dollar chart, price recently gave a breakout here in the downward direction, and because of this breakout, now we have another resistance zone which can be used for a reversal trade. So let me mark this zone, because if price goes up again for the retest, I will use this resistance zone for a reversal trade. So let's wait now. If price retraces back hit this zone, I will place a reversal trade if all the conditions are met according to the strategy. Let's wait now. Price approaching the resistance zone for the retest. Now price hit the resistance. Chances of reversal are high. I'll wait for this 1 minute candle to close. If it closes near to the resistance, I'll place a reversal trade with confirmation. I want the 1 minute candle to close near to this resistance without any breakout. last 6 seconds are remaining. I'm opening my 5-second chart and we already have good rejection candle. All I need is strong selling confirmation now to place a trade. Let's wait. Chances of reversal are super high here because the 1 minute candle gave no breakout, and this is still not a solid confirmation. I need, yes, that's a confirmation from these sellers and that they are strong in this zone and they will push the price in the downward direction. Let's understand the logic. It's the same trading strategy. This was the recently formed resistance. Price after the fall goes up to retest this zone. Price retested this zone, as you can see on this candle. It hit the resistance and then it closes below without any breakout. So this resistance is not broken, meaning price should reverse in the downward direction. To place a trade, I need a strong selling confirmation. So that's why I use 5-second chart. On 5-second chart, when price hit the resistance, it gave this rejection, then another rejection. Price again goes up, but at the very last end, it formed this strong confirmation. This is a good strong confirmation from the sellers and that yes, the price will reverse. Okay, we have lost this trade by a very small margin, but I believe that price will reverse and it will go down because the 1 minute candle, let me check the 1 minute candle. We have lost this trade at the very last second, but I still believe that price should reverse. Let's wait how this candle will close. If it closes without breaking this resistance, I will place a reversal trade. I have no doubt about it. Sometimes you can lose because the price can fluctuate. And okay, the 1 minute candle closes inside the zone. Chances of reversal are high. I will place my trade if I have solid confirmation. Waiting for a confirmation now. Selling confirmation is required here. A solid bearish candle. Not solid. I will still wait. Chances of reversal are still high. Until and unless I have, yes, that's the strong candle. It is an instant move by the sellers in the downward direction. Now let's understand the logic. Same logic. This particular candle closes without breaking the resistance zone. Previous candle also formed as a bearish candle, but the reason why we lost this trade is because price retraces back and it can do its thing in some cases, because we can't control the price movement. But our analysis was simple. If there is no breakout, the price should reverse. There was no breakout on this candle, so price reversed. And here also there was no breakout from this resistance zone, so reversal was required. And I waited for a confirmation here as well. On 5-second chart, we got strong candlestick confirmation that broke the recently rejected support level. And here we booked profit because our analysis was correct. Our analysis was correct here as well because the 1 minute candle closing was a bearish candle, but we lost the trade because our entry point was below the closing level. So in binary option trading, your analysis needs to be important and it needs to be correct. Sometimes you might lose the trade because of expiry and your trade placement level. But the main thing here and main thing in trading is that whatever you are doing, whatever you are thinking and analyzing needs to be on the right spot. And on both of our trades, where the results are different because one was a loss and the next was a winning trade, our analysis in both trade was simple, that price, if it's not breaking, it should reverse. So it reverses here and it reverses here as well as we were expecting. So now we have taken 3 trades today. I will end this session here and I hope that you have learned the concept that we used in today's session. I have taken 3 trades all total. One using this resistance zone in which the candle closing was below and price reverses. Second one here, price reverses but our entry point and the expiry does not align, and that's why we lost the second trade. But the analysis was correct because the price reversed. Price again tried to break the zone, failed to break, and then it reverses, and we booked profit here as well. I am focusing on this strategy because this is the simple trading strategy. Anyone can use it, and I'm getting good feedbacks. Traders who are using this strategy are giving me good feedbacks that yes, this strategy is working, and kindly keep continuing making videos related to this trading strategy because this is the simplest trading strategy, and that's why I'm sticking with this trading strategy. Today we have taken 3 trades, 2 are in profit, 1 was a loss, but our analysis on all 3 trades were correct, which is the most important thing according to me. So that is it for today. I hope you learned the strategy behind these trades and will try to replicate the same while trading. Do not trade in OTC market. I do not use these strategies in OTC market. That is a fake market. So do not trade if you want to save your capital, but if you like to gamble, you can do that as well. I prefer not to trade on OTC. I prefer to take a rest in the weekend because that is also a key element of a trader's life. So that is it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.